Lectra has more than 20 years of experience in digital leather cutting, and Versalis is our ultimate system for best-in-class premium manufacturing. The future of digital leather cutting has now arrived. We are proud to introduce the new Versalis, a brand new evolution that takes performance farther than ever. To reach peak performance, we've made improvements in 7 areas to bring you the best possible manufacturing experience. We've improved productivity, plus 10% compared to the current 2-head configuration, and up to plus 17% on the 3-head configuration. We have also improved yield efficiency by 1% compared to current nesting performance. We've improved Versalis' integration into your system environment with new connector interfaces. We've improved the operator experience with new augmented reality job assistance. We've improved cutting quality by minimizing the formation of wrinkles. We've reinforced the robustness of Versalis thanks to 20 hardware improvements for the best possible uptime. Versalis also has a brand new look featuring Lectra's new design direction. Versalis is still available in 3 configurations for the automotive market with 1, 2, or 3 cutting heads. In summary, the new Versalis 2019 features up to 60 evolutions depending on the configuration. Start building your future and stay apace of the digital transformation with Versalis digital leather cutting system. Now better than ever.